Good morning. Out here at my watermelon trellis, and I see I have a little bit more fruit coming. This is the female plant. It has the little node at the bottom, and it is open and ready to pollinate. I have found a male flower. The male flowers are long stem like that with no node at the end, but I have picked one from the front, as you can see, and it is open as well, and I am going to hand pollinate this little buddy right here. So all you do is basically take the male plant, and there's some little nodes in there, as you can see, and you just make sure that those two are touching. That male plant is touching the female plant, and the pollen rubs off on there like so, and that little plant will dry up and it will become a sweet bitty watermelon. Ooh, I think it's kind of amazing, very neat how even plants need both a male and a female to produce. Here's one that's already been germinated on its own thanks to nature. I have a couple more to show you right here. There's a couple more in the front. This is my watermelon and cantaloupe trellis, so I kind of like put both of them on there because I want to train them to go up because I don't have much space in my garden. So let's see if I come around here. I think I saw a couple in the front that were growing. Here they are. One's right there, and this one like clear over the cantaloupes, but I got about 5 or 6 growing, so I just wanted to do a little video on hand pollinating, because sometimes the bugs don't always work for you, unfortunately, and you have to come out and catch them while they're blooming and do it yourself if you want fruit. So that's all. Have a good day.